Hi, Pam here, and welcome to Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to show you how I am going to reorganize my under sink cabinet in my kitchen. And before I get started, however, I would like to give a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I only started this a couple of weeks ago, and I have now reached the 50 subscriber mark. So a big thank you to all of those who have subscribed to my channel. And now let's get started on the video of cleaning or reorganizing under the sink. So here's my under sink cabinet. Sorry for the glare. I have a big window right over my sink, so it's making it hard to film this. But I can't really show you a before because I bought a new under sink organizer here to replace the caddies I had in my cleaning caddy challenge, and I was going to install this, but my husband was nice enough to install it for me this weekend. And why does my camera keep going in and out of focus? So I already have this new pull-out tray, and they had these at Costco, and I was really excited to see them because I've had trouble finding one that would fit under the sink. You can see I have a double sink, and the drain pipe from this side of the sink goes over quite far. So I needed something that was very narrow that could slide in next to this particular drain pipe. And I measured before we bought this to make sure it would fit, and it does. So I am going to be taking the things from my old portable caddies and putting them in here, and hopefully it will make it a lot easier to get to everything. And here are my caddies. This is a watering can, but here's a caddy that was in the very back of the cabinet, and then this is a caddy I showed in my what's in my cleaning caddy challenge. So I will be reorganizing this and maybe doing a little decluttering. I'm not exactly sure what all is in this back one, but I will do that and show you the finished product when I'm all done. So here's the after. Here is the new slide out tray, and I put some of the smaller items on the top here. I have my stainless steel cleaner and disinfectant, my lavender chamomile that I put into my homemade cleaner, my hand soap for the hand soap dispenser at my sink, and then I always keep a box of nitrile gloves that I use when I'm cleaning. The regular like dishwashing type of gloves are way too big for my hands. I have pretty small hands and narrow fingers, so the other ones just flop around in my hands, so I usually use the nitrile gloves because those fit snugly. And then on the bottom shelf I have all of my spray bottle cleaners. I have my granite cleaner, my homemade vinegar, water, and Dawn cleaner, glass cleaner, disinfectant for the trash can, and then back here I have some items that were in the back for resupply, my jet dry refill, some Febreze to spray under the sink if it gets smelly from the trash. I have some Clorox cleanup. I don't use this very often. My husband bought this, but because he likes to use it. I have some filters for our little countertop composting bin. And then in the very back, I don't know if you can see, I have an extra jet dry bottle. That one happened to come with our new dishwasher that we got a few months ago, so that's why we have an extra one. And then my Dawn detergent that we bought at Costco that's in a large bottle. I think I've showed you my soap dispenser before, but I took an old like coffee syrup bottle and put a pump in it, and that's what I keep on my counter to store my Dawn detergent. And then I used to have my trash bags. I just had them in the box that they came in. Got them from Costco, and they come in 2 rolls, and so usually I would just cut the flaps off of the box. But I've gone ahead and repurposed one of the old caddies that I had, and I only had one roll of trash bags, but another one will fit in the back. You can see there's empty space. This is a lot more attractive, so I can go ahead and then just get rid of these cardboard boxes. And then next to that I have the bags for, a little hard to see, the compostable bags for the countertop compost bin. And so that's it. I'm very pleased because this, now we can get to very easily everything that we need to without having to pull the whole caddy out of the cupboard, put it up on the counter, or reach back behind to grab things. So this is going to be a lot more convenient, I think. So that's it. One final look. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video useful. I know when we were redoing our kitchen and looking for a solution for under our sink, we couldn't find anything that we thought would work. So I was really pleased when I saw this the other day at Costco and thought, hey, that should work under our sink. So I hope if you have a similar situation under your sink, you're able to locate this same pull-out tray and it works for you just like it worked for me. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the link down below and also hitting the notification bell so that you'll get notified when I post new videos. And again, I'd like to thank all of my subscribers for subscribing. I'm very excited to have hit the 50 subscriber mark, and I look forward to getting the next 50 subscribers. Here's till next time. Bye-bye.